This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tara Matlock. Beautiful new construction on Martingale. This classic home with one-level living has 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms and an open floor plan. Neutral colors and engineered hardwood throughout. This level lot features parking for 2 in the garage. Enjoy nearby mountain views from the covered front porch or the back patio. Laundry room just off the master suite, which features a double vanity in the master bath and a walk-in closet. The island gives extra counter space when using the kitchen, all while still being in the main living area featuring vaulted ceilings. Conveniently located near shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Tara Matlock at 865-693-1111.